Our first idea is a privacy audit app. This can be a website or a smartphone app which will analyze the privacy settings of a user's various social media accounts. The app will provide an easy-to-read report summarizing the user's privacy settings for each social media account. It will outline possible issues and draw the user's attention to certain settings they may not have been aware of. The user will be presented with a list of social media accounts and will supply his username and password for the accounts for which he wants the audit to be performed. The app will automatically log into each account, analyze the privacy and sharing settings, and then produce a report. The user could configure the app by selecting a personality profile. The report will tailor its presentation and emphasis based on the personality profile the user has selected. For example, one profile may be of a teenager who may want his or her status updates, etc., to be widely available. Another profile could be that of an older person who may only want a smaller circle of friends to be allowed via photos, links, etc. Our second idea takes the form of a website which illustrates how a company has produced their product in an ethical and environmentally friendly manner. The website will be an interactive exploration of the creation of the product, giving information such as country of origin, materials used, and the kind of labour required, all of which will be presented along with images and graphics. The website will be a collection of illustrations of products from various companies, with opportunities for other companies to have their product represented in the same manner if they can validate their manufacturing process. This idea is similar to the Fair Trade Seal of Approval, but takes it further by creating something which companies themselves would be interested in directing their customers towards. In doing so, they gain the kudos which is inherent with any green initiative such as fair trade, but also allow themselves the opportunity to appear honest and trustworthy to their customers by exposing in detail the manufacturing process of their product. Our third idea is a website or app which will provide the user with all the information they require for being a cyclist in Dublin. There will be 4 elements to the site. The commercial element will provide a search engine for bike shops, bike repairs, bike rentals and bike accessories. The user will enter their location and select which option they want to search for, and the app will locate all the outlets within a chosen radius of that area. The transport element will be aimed at the user whose purpose is to get from one destination to the next out of necessity. This route planner will offer multiple preferences to suit the individual user's needs. This is an example of an existing website which performs this function for the city of Copenhagen. The recreation element is aimed towards the user who cycles as a sport or hobby during their free time. It includes a section of scenic and enjoyable cycling routes throughout Dublin, which can be chosen by the user depending on their preference of route and by distance, so that the app can cater for users of all fitness levels. The tourism element focuses on areas of interest for sightseeing. It will provide a quick and easy way for visitors to the city to find their way to specific areas and Dublin's main attractions. Our fourth idea is a friendship net. This is a website or app which will graphically represent people's friendships with each other. The idea behind this website is that people's friendships are like a net structure in web-based social networks. This friendship net could be huge. This website will show the friendship net by graphically representing a net to allow users to discover new friends on their friendship net. First, the website will connect to the user's Facebook, Twitter or other social media account. Then it will discover your friends and your friends' friends. Secondly, the website will draw an initial graphical net using your friends' profile pictures. When you click one of these friends, the website will generate a new friendship net for those friends. Finally, the website could zoom in and zoom out of the friendship net, giving the user an idea of how big their friendship net is, with the user as the root.